Hello everyone and a very warm welcome to Housey. Myself Jetal, and today we are going to reveal the very first biggest home fest of Whitefield by Prestige Group. The Wow Whitefield Home Fest. During this home fest, you can own a home at Prestige by lots of exciting offers, discount, payment plans and many gifts. So stay tuned until the end to find out all the details about these exciting offers by Prestige Group. Now for those who do not know what exactly Housey is. So Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyer directly with developer, thereby giving you all the bottom rate pricing. Unlike current listing platform where if you do a single inquiry, your contact number will get shared with multiple brokers, which will result in too many phone calls. But you don't need to worry because Housey is here to connect you directly with builders. Because in Housey, the listing is done by the builders and not the brokers. So why to worry? Book your dream home directly with builders on Housey. Prestige Raintree Park, a vast integrated township built by Prestige Group. Located bang on Whitefield Bartur Main Road, where you can book a 4 and 5 bed homes. Price start from 3.60 CR onwards. You can pay 10% now and other payment after June 2026. No EMI for next 1 year. Prestige Pine Forest, a premium and best located project based on ECC Main Road in Whitefield, Bangalore. You can book 4 BHK plus home office with price start from 4.90 CR onwards. Here you can ease your payment by paying 10% on the booking, 40% in 6 months and rest at the time of possession. Prestige Somerville, a low density high-end living project which is located in Marathalli, Whitefield Main Road. Your 4 BHK premium apartment starts from 3.45 CR onwards by paying 25% at the time of booking and 75% at the time of possession. Complete payment holiday plan. Prestige Glenbrook project located at Boreville Road, Whitefield, Bangalore. You can book 3 BHK plus main room of 29-28 square feet. Price starting 3.45 CR onwards, and the project is in nearly possession. And you can book by paying by 25% at the time of booking and rest 75% at the time of possession. Now coming to the last but the biggest project among all, that is the Prestige White Meadows. Located bang on Whitefield Main Road near Whitefield Police Station, having 4044 square feet of ultra luxurious sky villa, which is starting from 6.38 crore. But the offers doesn't end here. You can win gold coin, 5-star hotel stay, luxury vouchers and many discounts. Even a lucky homeowner get to own Mahindra Thar by lucky draw. Apart from all of this, you can get many more discounts, but for that you need to visit our site for the experience. So this Wow Whitefield Home Fest is available for a limited period of time starting from 18 July to 15 August. Isn't it amazing? So what are you waiting for? Go and register for free on www.housey.com and schedule your free site visit.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.